If you want to know how to make money online, then this video is a great place to start. I will tell you all about the 10 actionable make money online tips that work like a charm, with just a computer and an internet connection. One of the great things about the internet is that you can start a business from your home. You don't have to worry about transportation or working hours. All you need is an internet connection and some free time to make money online. While doing so, you can focus on other things at work, go on some travels, be entertained, spend more time with the family, or even indulge in your favorite hobby every day. With that being said, let's break down some 10 real make money online tips that will work for you. 1. Test websites and apps. Testing websites and apps are a great way to make money online. You can test websites and apps and get paid to do it. When you are testing a website, you are looking for bugs or errors in the website's design or functionality. The best part about this job is that it is flexible. You can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. All of these factors add up to making this one of the best ways to make money online today. The best platform you can start with for this job is ucertisting.com. You will only need to set up your account and then you will be directed on what you need to do by answering some simple questions. Once you are done, you will qualify to get a job. Testing apps and browsers functionality, and you'll earn money for that job. 2. Start dropshipping. One of the best ways to make money online is by starting a dropshipping business. This online business model is great for entrepreneurs because it has low startup costs and no inventory. You don't need to purchase any products to start a dropshipping business. You simply sell them from your website. If you use dropshipping, the supplier will store, package, and ship your product to customers on your behalf and you'll make money. There are two ways people can sell items through a dropshipping service. The first is by selling products that you have in stock, and the second is by buying products in bulk, then reselling them at a discounted price. Diversity is the key to success. For example, with Shopify dropshipping, you have access to millions of products that you can stock your store with. Some Shopify dropshipping apps allow you to edit your product images and customize the tone of your store so that people will love what they see, and they will be able to buy from you. 3. Try print-on-demand services. Print-on-demand is a business model for print media where copies of a publication are not printed until an order is placed. This allows businesses to save on inventory and storage costs, as well as offer products with less upfront investment. A good example is Printful. Printful is an e-commerce platform that specializes in this type of printing. It allows you to create your own products, shirts, posters, and then sell them through their site or through your own site. They take care of the printing, packaging, and shipping for you, so you can focus on marketing your products. 4. Become an influencer. In order to make money online as an influencer, first you need to find your niche. You need to find a topic that is interesting, massive following, and people or brands will be willing to pay for your opinion. You can write reviews on products, share your experiences with various products, or even just post pictures of your everyday life. You also need to make sure that you are consistent with what you are posting in order for people to see the value in what you do. Posting sporadically will not help anyone and they will not want to follow you or purchase anything from you. So you need to remain consistent with posting on your social media accounts. This also helps a lot to grow your brand online as more brands will be approaching you to help them promote their product. 5. Create an online course. Online courses are a great way to make money. They are also a great way to learn something new or share your knowledge with others. The internet has made it possible for anyone to create and sell their own course. An online course can be anything you want it to be. You can teach people how to do something, you can give them information on a subject, or you could just talk about your life experience and lessons learned. The best part about an online course is that there is no limit to what you can do with it. You could make one video that teaches people how to cook an omelette, or you could create 10 videos that go into detail on the different ways of cooking eggs in the morning and then charge someone $1,000 for the whole thing. There are many platforms where you can sell your online course like Udemy. 6. Start or consider freelancing. You can also make money by offering freelance services online like web design, graphic design, writing code, or anything else related to your field of expertise. Freelancing services are when people hire you as an individual for one-time projects or ongoing business projects that need to be done. When people hire freelancers, they typically pay a fee in order to have all the benefits of labor, such as the satisfaction of their job well done. To start freelancing, you just need to set up your profile with a field that you understand well or your area of expertise on these websites. We have Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and others. 7. Do translation work. Translators are in high demand in the business world. They are needed to translate websites, documents, and other important information. There are many ways to make money as a translator. Some people do it as a part-time job or as a side hustle. Others do it full-time and make a living from it. The opportunities for translators are endless because of the high demand for their services worldwide. Some translators work with translation agencies that provide them with clients and jobs online without charging them any fees upfront or taking any percentage of the translator's earnings as commission. Translation agencies usually offer higher rates to translators who have extensive experience in translation work or who have an advanced degree related to translation, such as linguistics, translation studies, or comparative literature. The best sites you can find this type of job are People Per Hour, Pro Translating, Translator Base, and Upwork. 8. Become an online tutor. Tutoring is an excellent way to make money online, and it is a job that you can do from anywhere. Tutoring has been around for decades, but in recent years, it has become easier than ever to find clients and get started. The tutoring industry is growing rapidly as more people want to learn new skills. One of the best ways to be a tutor is to help people learn how to fix their computers, for example. Many people who would like someone else to help them with their computer need you to install and set up software on their machine. You can also find clients to help them study for tests, learn how to cook new recipes, or even help them with your marketing skills. You can find tutoring jobs on these platforms. We have TutorMe, Yup, Cambly, TutorMe, and Tutor.com. 9. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are on the rise. The demand for these services has increased in the last few years, and it's not hard to see why. They provide a cost-effective solution to a wide range of problems, from basic administrative tasks to more complex assignments that require specialized skills. The industry is growing rapidly, and there are many opportunities for virtual assistants. Virtual assistants can work remotely or locally, depending on the type of service they offer and the needs of their clients. Some people work as virtual assistants full-time, while others do it on an occasional basis, as a way to earn extra cash or fill in time between other jobs. Regardless of what your situation is, there is always room for more virtual assistants in this rapidly expanding industry. 10. Sell your designs online. You can make money by just sitting at home and designing something that you want to sell online. There are a lot of different platforms that provide you with a platform to sell your designs online. You can either sell your designs as is or create them in such a way that they can be customized according to the buyer's needs. You don't need any prior experience to start selling your designs on these platforms. All you need is an idea, some creativity, and dedication toward improving your skills every day. Bonus tip: publish an ebook. The publishing industry is changing rapidly. More and more people are turning to ebooks because they are cheaper to publish and distribute. In addition, self-publishing has become a viable option for those who want to share their knowledge with the world. Self-publishing an ebook is a great way to make money online. It's not just about making money either, it's about building your credibility as an expert in your field too. Amazon has long been a major player in the e-publishing industry. Amazon's Kindle is one of the best sellers for ebooks and reading on mobile devices. The publishing process for an ebook starts with writing it, then editing it and organizing it into chapters, which can be done with a word processor like Microsoft Word or by using an ebook editor like Adobe Acrobat Reader. Even if you don't know how to use these tools, they are quite affordable. Self-publishing an ebook consists of the following steps. Write your book and edit it for spelling, grammar, formatting, and consistency. Create a cover for the book using any software. Examples of this software are Adobe InDesign and Microsoft Publisher. Market the book by creating an author website, writing blog posts about your book, and searching for appropriate keywords in Google to use in marketing campaigns to get readers interested. These tips are actionable and you can see how easy they are in making money online. Try them out, pick 3, 5, or all of them and you will be able to maximize your online income in your comfort zone. Thanks for your time, guys. If you found this useful, like it, subscribe, and leave your thoughts about these tips in the comment sections. I'll see you in the next video.